Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm back with another amazing video. This is a new store which got renovated recently and they're still remodeling. But today I'm going to be showing you a part of it. Today we're going to be looking at new Apple products at Best Buy. So this particular Best Buy is located at Daniels Road in Orlando, Florida. And this store was closed for a while because they were remodeling it, but it was open for pickups. But now they have officially reopened after or during the holidays, but they're still remodeling a little bit inside. But for today we're going to be looking at the Apple products, so let's go and see. So this is their new Apple section. Before it used to be somewhere else, but now it's right at the entrance as soon as you enter on the right side. So as we all know, iPhone 14 came out a few months ago in September, I believe. So here it is, iPhone 14 Plus and iPhone 14. So you can see this is the Plus. So it's a purple one. It has two cameras. And the one right next to it is the iPhone 14, which is a regular size iPhone. The one they had on display was the blue one. This one also has two cameras. And let's move forward. So here they have iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max right next to each other. So the Pro Max color they had was, I think this is a new color, the purple color. It's a really nice color. It's the first time I saw it in person. It was a beautiful color. So this is the Pro Max, which has three cameras, exactly how the 13 Pro Max had last year. So let's move forward. On the other side, right across from the iPhones, they have the iPad. So this is the new iPad, the regular one, and these are the new Apple Watches. And here they have another one of the same iPad on display. So about this new Apple section they have in the store now, it's way bigger than what they had previously. If you want to look at the previous Best Buy Apple section, I do have a video that was released in 2021 where I showed the Apple products that were available at the time. So you can have a look at it if you want. I'll have it at the end of this video. So here they have AirPods of three kinds. So they have AirPods, and AirPods new generation came out, which is the third generation, second generation, third generation, and the AirPods Pro, which I found quite pricey. AirPods Pro are like $250, and AirPods second generation are $100, which are great. I like them so much better than the Pro, honestly. So anyway, they have some more of the Apple Watches here. And now we're gonna be looking at some MacBooks. So here they have the MacBook Pro 16 inches. So they have so many now. They have Air, MacBook Pro 13 inches, MacBook Pro 14, and 16 inches. 14 inches is the new size that came in between 16 and 13. So this is the 16 inches MacBook Pro, which is quite big, and it has a lot of room, and you can see how big the keypad is, and you can see the outside. It's really nice and sleek, and the edges are very sharp and turned, but it's very delicate. So here they have the 14 inches, which it looks very small in front of 16 inches, although it's not much difference, but it does look smaller. And here's the 13 inch, which looks almost the same as the 14 inch, but this is the one with M2 chip, which was the new addition that they make. So it has the M2 chip. Before they had M1 chip, but this year they brought M2 chip. So here they have MacBook Air. So these MacBook Air also have M2 chip, and this one is 13.6 inches, this MacBook Air. So it said on it, it's a brand new one which came out. I believe it came out last year. MacBook Airs are lighter than MacBook Pros, and you can see the pricing of them as well. Depends on the size you get. Here's another MacBook Air they have.
which is also a new one, but I believe it's in a different color than the other one. And this is the third one. And this is the old one, which had M1 chip. So this one is the oldest model than the M2 chip one that came out last year. So here they have the iMacs. The iMacs, nice thing about iMacs now is they have beautiful colors. It comes in so many colors. It's 24 inches, and I'm a huge fan of iMacs. So they have blue, they have red, they have yellow, they have purple. So many nice colors. They have green. Here's the red one. On the other side there was someone there, so I couldn't capture the other one very well. So here's the red one. It's beautiful. It looks amazing. Like, I'm sure it will look nice in anyone's room or in their study. So that one was 26 inches. This one is 24 inches. This one's a little smaller, and this is the iMac Studio, which is new. So here you can see they have a beautiful Apple section. It's, like I said, it's way bigger than what they had previously. And here they have some Apple Watch bands of different styles. They have the sports style, they have leather ones, they have some formal ones. So if you're looking for one, you can always get them from Best Buy as well. And now we're gonna be looking at iPad mini. So iPad mini is really mini. So it's the first time I touched it, the 6th generation, so I believe it's a new one. So it's very small, you can see it. That's why I wanted to hold it in my hand and see how it looks. So it's really small. And here they have the iPad, the regular iPad, which is the 9th generation. And on the other side, they have the same iPads in different colors. So this is the new one. This is 10.9 inches, and of course it depends on the size what you're getting. So the pricing are different according to the size you're getting. So this is the new iPad, 10.9 inches. So here they have a HomePod mini. I think it's like Amazon Alexa, which is priced at $100. So I don't have much details and much information about it, but I think it's like Alexa. So here they have the newer iPad in different color, the one we just saw, and there's some more of the iPhone 14 Pro Max in a different color. It's the black one, and the iPhone 14 Pro is in the gold color, which is a beautiful color. You see how nice it is, and it's matte, so it's very nice. And this is another color. It's a little shiny of the black one. So here is the iPad Pro, which is 12.9 inch. So this is the biggest iPad they have. This is the new model that came out, and this is the iPad Air. I have no idea why there's so many different names of the iPads, but this is the iPad Air 5th generation. So now next I'll be showing you something new that came out is the AirPods Max. So they released new Air headphones, Apple, which are priced at $500. So I don't think they need to be $500, honestly. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.